Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so excited that you've joined me today. Today we're going to have our drawing for a beautiful junk journal, but first let's have our shout out to Melanie, Historical, Beth, Joyce, Pam, Annette, and Debbie. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, you guys, it is a beauty. I am so excited, but I'm going to make you wait for just a second because I want to tell you that I added some Christmas ephemera over in my Etsy store, and I have 4 bunches of these. There are 15 pieces of ephemera in each bunch, and I just wanted to show you what that included. You'll get a couple of snippets. You'll get some clusters. Little clusters here. I think they're so sweet. You'll get journaling card. You'll get a cloth faux envelope with music paper inside. You'll get a little tuck spot. Here's another one. You'll get, or you could get, a little tag that has extra little tags and pockets on it. Now this assortment is going to be all different things, and I choose what the things are in each bunch. So you could get some of these, or then you could get something else that looks like it, or similar. This is one of those faux glassine bags. Oh, I think they're so pretty. They sound wonderful. Here's a cloth envelope. And what these are really fun to use is to put one of those gift cards inside. And this is already wrapped, all ready to go. I think that would be so cute. And then you'll probably get one that's made out of paper. And then you'll get some tags, the ones that look like this. These are great to put on a gift to help you decorate the gift, and also that you can write your name to and from, or a little message. And then here's one style like this. And they come packaged with a pretty little bow, just like that. And they're over in my Etsy store, and I invite you to go over and check it out. Oh, you guys, I've had so much inspiration that you have all given me in the comments about what type of things you'd like me to make. It has made my imagination go wild, and I'm very excited. And in the videos that we will have coming up, there'll be all kinds of ideas like you have given me, and things, a little twists that I've put in there. So you guys, without further ado, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, now listen. You've got to give me your address. Oh my goodness, you've got to give me your address. So in the bottom of this comment section, then, not in the comment section, in the bottom of this video, there'll be my email address, and that's where you need to send me your mailing information. And just put #winner and then put your mailing information. I've got to have that to send it out to you, and we want to get it to you before Christmas, because you might want to use it for a Christmas present, or you just might want to just keep it for yourself and just journal in it and just have a wonderful experience. I absolutely love this little journal. I really, really do. Okay, guys. And the winner is winner, winner, chicken dinner, winner, winner, junk journal mania. Jeanette Garrison. Jeanette, you're the winner. You were number 23 coming in on the comments. Oh, you guys, Jeanette, calling Jeanette. Jeanette, you are the winner. You guys, I've had such fun. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.